Subedar Karam Singh, born on September 15, 1915 in Punjab, was the first living Indian soldier to receive the Paramveer Chakra. Joining the army in 1941, he served in Burma during the World War II and earned the military medal for his contributions. He also participated in the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947, where he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra in 1948 for his valor in saving a forward post at the Richmar Gully south of Thitwal. Notably, he was one of the 5 soldiers who raised the Indian flag for the first time post-independence. Karam Singh achieved the rank of Subedar and was later honored with the rank of honorary captain before retiring in September 1969. After his military service, he led a simple life in his village and engaged in social service. He passed away on January 20, 1993. On September 15, 1948, the Indian Navy's first major warship INS Delhi arrived in Mumbai. As the lead ship of its guided missile destroyer class, INS Delhi marked a significant advancement in Delhi's maritime defense capabilities. Originally named HMS Archils, this Leander-class light cruiser was built in 1933 for the British Navy and participated in key naval operations during the World War II. After India's independence, the ship was acquired from Britain and renamed as INS Delhi. Measuring approximately 555 feet in length and weighing around 7,200 tons, INS Delhi could reach speed of 60 km per hour and accommodate a crew of over 550 personnel. September 15, 1959 was a landmark day for television in India as it marked the beginning of Doordarshan's experimental broadcast as the country's first government television channel. Launched in New Delhi, the initial broadcast aimed to provide education, information and entertainment, featuring programs on education, farming and other key topics. During this experimental phase, broadcasts were limited to the Delhi area and operated with minimal resources. At that time, television was a new medium in India and Doordarshan sought to leverage it for mass communication. Over time, Doordarshan's reach expanded and in 1976, it was established as an independent institution separate from All India Radio. By 1982, Doordarshan introduced color broadcasting during the Asian Games, enhancing its popularity. Today, Doordarshan operates 46 studios and 33 television channels. Engineers Day is observed annually on September 15 in India to honor Sir M. Visvesvaraya, a distinguished engineer and Bharat Ratna awardee, on his birth anniversary. Born on September 15, 1860 in Kolar district, Karnataka, Sir M. Visvesvaraya gained international acclaim for his remarkable contributions to engineering. He completed his civil engineering education at the College of Engineering, Pune, and served as the Diwan of Mysore State, where he drove significant development. Notably, he oversaw the construction of the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam, once Asia's largest reservoir, and developed a block system for efficient water use in irrigation, still employed in many projects today. Sir M. Visvesvaraya passed away on April 14, 1962. The First Sino-Chinese War began on September 15, 1894 between Japan and China, lasting until 1895. The primary cause of the conflict was the dispute over the control of Korea. Japan's Meiji army emerged victorious, leading to Japanese control over Korea. This was significantly altered the balance of power in Asia, establishing Japan as a major strategic force. Korea was crucial to Japan both socially and politically due to its geographic location, prompting Japan's strong interest in the Korean peninsula. Conversely, Korea was also important to China, having been under the Manchu emperor's control since the 17th century, effectively making it a tributary state of China. After the war, control of Korea shifted to Japan.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKTF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKTF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
On September 15, 1997, the domain name google.com was registered, marking the beginning of what would become the world's largest search engine. This domain established Google's identity and brand, leading to its official launch as search engine in 1998. Google has since expanded its services, introducing products like Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, and YouTube. Headquartered in Mountain View, California, Google's advanced algorithm and technological innovations have made it the most prominent tool for finding information online. Today, Google is an essential and widely used search engine globally. On September 15, 1971, Greenpeace, one of the world's largest environmental organizations, was founded in Vancouver, Canada. Established to address environmental protection, climate change, and global peace, Greenpeace emerged from a small group of journalists, scientists, and pacifist activists who initially protested against American nuclear tests. They rented a boat and traveled to Amchitka Island in Alaska, where the US was conducting nuclear tests under the name Don't Make a Wave Committee. The campaign aimed to raise awareness about environmental issues and peace. The group later adopted the name Greenpeace, combining green for the environment and peace for the global peace. September 15 is celebrated annually as Greenpeace Day.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe. From the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts, find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now, Rhythm app, where every story matters.